Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to import the Character Creator 3.4 avatar into the latest version of the Unreal Engine, that is the Unreal Engine 5.0.1. Right, so start from now, I'm going to show you step by step. Alright, this is my Character Creator 3. You can see this is a full avatar that I already developed. Once I'm done already, what am I going to do is just to export it as FBX file. So now, as demo, I will just export it on my desktop. I right click here, right click new folder, Asian Girl 01, for example. I created a new folder, I double click in. Then from my Character Creator tree, what I need to do is click File, Export, FBX. And then the target tool preset, you have to choose Unreal, the FBX motion, the FBX option. What you need to choose is from the mesh first and embed the texture. Click export, click OK. So this is on my desktop. I copy this destination location, Ctrl C, and then click here, Ctrl V, enter. The file name, I will name her as Asian Girl 01 as FBX file. Now it is exporting as FBX file. Just wait for a while until it finishes. Alright, now you can see the FBX file already here. Next, what you need to do is just scroll down, go to my video description, then this one. Download the Unreal Engine motions in iClone format. This is the ones, this is the download link. Once you download it, it is a zip file. Then you have to extract it and get this folder. Right, here you have a few iMotion files. That is what we call iClone motion files. Right, then in your Unreal Engine, in your Character Creator tree here, you are going to create a new folder in your folder. Right click new folder, name it as animation. Double click in. Then from your Character Creator tree, click File, Export, FBX. The target tool preset still choose Unreal, but the FBX motion, the FBX option, you choose only the motion. And here, at the beginning, it is the current pose. Right, just now you only export the mesh, right? So now you only export the motion, and then you choose the custom, then click here to open all of the motion. Right, where is it? It is at here. You are going to open this folder, Ctrl C to copy, and then export FBX at custom. You click open here, then paste, Ctrl V, enter. Then select all of this, open, and then one more. What you need is the T-pose. The T-pose is at here under the motion. Right, right click, find file. Right, T-pose is at here. So you copy here, then open here, Ctrl V, enter. Open the T-pose. So now you can see the T-pose is inside. That included all the Unreal Engine motion files there. Close this folder. Tick here, save one motion profile, custom, and you only export the motion. Click export, then click OK. You are going to export it inside the animation folder here. Right, copy the folder destination location, Ctrl C to copy, then paste it here, Ctrl V, enter. Then the file name, you still name it as Asian girl01. It will make it as a prefix. Save here. It is going to save one by one with the correct prefix here. Alright, once done already, this character creator tree, you can save it as a backup file, save as. Save the project as on the desktop. Alright, this is Asian Girl01. Save on my desktop. Save. Asian Girl01 project. Save. Alright, at this moment, the character creator tree project already saved. I can close this already. Now, what you left, I just left all of this. You can close the Unreal Engine motion in iClone format. You can close it. So now you can see what you want is just the Asian Girl01 folder. Inside here, you have the Asian Girl01 FBX with all the animations exported as FBX file. All are here. So now, you can open your Unreal Engine. First, you can just check my video description, the workflow, create an avatar in CC3, the character creator tree. Next, export it as FBX, the mesh only, and export it as FBX as motion only. You already finished all this step. Next, you are going to create a new project in Unreal Engine 4.27. Right, from 4.27 later, you are going to migrate the avatar that already retargeted from Unreal Engine 4.27 to Unreal Engine 5.01. Okay, this one, migrate avatar and retarget third motion from Unreal Engine 4.27.2 to Unreal Engine 5.0.1. So now you are at the step 4. Create a new project in Unreal Engine 4.27.2. So now this is my Epic Game Launcher. I already installed 2 versions of the Unreal Engine. That is the Unreal Engine 5.01 and another one is Unreal Engine 4.27.2. So now I launched the Unreal Engine 4.27.2 first. I launch it. At this moment, I'm going to create a new project. Create a new game, a third-person game. Next, I'm going to name this project as my project Unreal Engine 4.01. Alright, now I create the project. And actually, where is the project? I'm going to show you the location. Right click here, go into your document folder. Right. Inside the document folder, this is the document folder, the Unreal project. You can see this is the project directory. The project folder is at here. So now this is the Unreal Engine 4.27. Under your content here, you right click, create a new folder, name it as Asian Girl01. Enter. Now double click to enter the folder. Next, open your Asian Girl01 directory. Import the Asian Girl01 FBX. Just drag in to import it and wait for a while. Now it is importing. The skeleton, you can just ignore all of this. Just click import all and wait for a while. This is the FBX file. Alright, once done already, it will show a message log. You can just close this. and you have a check at here, the Asian girl 01, double click, you can see this is your avatar. Your avatar already in Unreal Engine 4.27. Alright, close first. Under the same folder, what you are going to do is right click, create a new folder, name it as animation. Alright, double click the animation, and then you open your animation folder, import all the FBX file from here. Select all, drag in. The skeletons, you have to choose the Asian girl 01 skeleton. The animation length, you have to choose the animated time. This is compulsory. This is really crucial. Right, next click import all. Right, now it is going to import all of the motion. And just now we can see a failure right there. Later we have to check if the T-pose failure is okay, but we have to make sure all of this successfully imported. So here we just need to wait for a while until it finish everything. Right, now it finished already, it will show you a message log, you can close it. We have to count how many is here. The T-pose is missing, it doesn't matter, we try again. The skeleton, we choose Asian girl 01, animated time. This one, you import all, no, alright. So one more time, we try, import the T-pose. This is just a pose, you can put exported time, Asian girl 01, import all. Alright, now successful. This is the T-pose, it's okay. It's just one frame, no need to play. The rest, like the third person walk, this one also successful. You can see all of this animation already successfully imported. Next, what we are going to do is back to the Asian girl 01 folder. Double click the Asian girl 01 skeleton. Here, select the rig as the humanoid rig. Then click save and close. Next, back to the content folder, go to the mannequin, double click the animation, and you can see the animation blueprint here. But you have one more step, you have to back to the mannequin folder, double click the character, mesh, and you can see the UE4 mannequin skeleton. This skeleton, what you are going to do, you have double click it. Alright, if you cannot see the Retarget Manager, you have to click here, Retarget Manager. Right, just now also the same. Still remember, the previous step is that here, the Asian girl 01, the skeleton. What about if you cannot see the Retarget Manager? You have to click here to make sure you open it and select the rig as the humanoid. Again, save and close. Next, back to the content, go into the mannequin, do the same way under the character, mesh. The UE4 mannequin skeleton is at here. Double click, make sure you can see the Retarget Manager. Then select the rig, you have to select the humanoid rig. Then click save, close, done. Next, in your mannequin folder, you have to go into the animation at here. So here, the third person animation blueprint, you right click it, retarget animation blueprint, and duplicate animation blueprint and retarget. Click here, click the Asian girl 01 skeleton, then click retarget. Now, you can see already retargeted here. It will automatically jump back to the content, and you can see it all come out with the abnormal motion, and now we are going to replace it. So what we are going to replace, we have to double click the third person either run. Right here, you can see 1 dot, 2 dot, 3 dots, and 4 dots. If you hold the shift, then you can move this screen. So actually what we are going to replace is the first dot, second dot, and the fourth dot. So here you can see your motion files, the Asian girl 01, the third person walk. The walk, you have to drag and drop, replace the second dot. And then the Asian girl 01, the idol, you have to drag and drop to replace the first dot. And then the last one, you have to choose the last one, the run, the third person run, you drag and drop at the last. So now everything it become normal already, you can see. Right. When you hold the shift. Once it's normal already, click save and then close. Then under the content folder, the third person run, you can press delete button to delete it, then press delete. The third person walk, you also can click and press delete button to delete it, force delete. The third person idle, also the same, press delete button and delete it. Next, the next one is the jump. The third person jump, you press delete button. The loop, you also can press delete button. But here we can just try to play. Before that, go to the third person animation blueprint here. You have to press F2 and click here. Add the Asian girl 01. So the name will become the third person animation blueprint Asian girl 01. And then for this 3 abnormal motion, if you press delete button, okay, if you press delete button, you can replace it. So you have to according to the name. The first one is the third person jump, you press delete button. Here you have to choose the Asian girl 01, third person jump. Okay. This one, Asian girl 01, third person jump. Replace it. Then replace reference. Click OK. Then click save selected. Alright, it will delete it and replace with the correct one. Next one is the third person jump loop. You press delete button. Here you have to choose the third person jump loop as well. You must choose the one that have the prefix Asian girl 01, third person jump loop. Okay, replace reference, click OK. And save selected. Next one is the third person jump start. Click and press delete button. Here you replace with the Asian girl 01, third person jump starts. It is set here. Replace reference. Click OK and save selected. Now these two, now everything will be normal. You already done the retargeting process. So next you click here so that you can see your Asian girl 01, the animation here. The Asian girl 01, the animation here, you are going to create one more folder. Right click, new folder. Animation. Retargeted. Next, you back to your content. These two, you hold the control, click the first one, hold the control and click the second one. Drag and drop into the animation retargeted. Then move here. Right. Once you move here already, everything done. Under your content folder, the Asian girl 01 with retargeted, everything already done here. Next, you back to your video description. Actually, you already done the step 5, import FBX to Unreal Engine 4.27. The next step is make the mannequin and avatar skeleton both to be humanoid. This one you already done. Retarget the avatar, done. And replace the motion file, you already done. So next, you check our tutorial. We are going to send this avatar into Unreal Engine 5.0.1. This is the latest version for today. So create a new project in Unreal Engine 5.0.1. You open your Epic Game Launcher. Epic Game Launcher here, you are going to launch the Unreal Engine 5.0.1 and click Launch. This is the latest version today, and today is 1st May in 2022. Right. In your Unreal Engine 5.0.1, create a new game, create a third-person game, and the project name I will just name it as my project UE501. Third person, click create. So this will be a new game project file, totally start from beginning, start from fresh. We are going to wait for a while until it finishes loading. Right now, this is the Unreal Engine 5.0.1. Once you try to test play, this mannequin is the main avatar, the mannequin female at here. You can see, right? Right, we are going to make the main avatar in the game to become the Asian girl 01. So what we are going to do, you can see now. First, you check your directory. Right-click the File Explorer, go into the Document folder. Under the Unreal Project folder, now you have two projects already. Okay, this one, my project UE401, this one is created by using the Unreal Engine 4.27. And the next one, my project Unreal Engine 5. This one, my project UE501, this one created by using the latest version, that is the Unreal Engine 5.0.1. So you back to your Unreal Engine 4.27, the project, back to the content folder. We are going to migrate the Asian Girl 01 folder into the Unreal Engine 5.0.1. Alright, let's have a check. This is the next step, migrate avatar and retargeted motion from Unreal Engine 4.27.2 to Unreal Engine 5.0.1. So from here, this is UE 4.27. Right-click the Asian Girl 01 folder, then click Migrate, then Save Selected, and wait for a while here. Next, click OK, and we are going to migrate it into the content folder of your Unreal Engine 4. Sorry, you are going to migrate into the Unreal project, the My Project UE501. Migrate into its content folder. It must be under the content folder. Click Select Folder. Now, you can see content migration completed successfully. At this moment, you back to your Unreal Engine 5.0.1 project. Now you can see you have the Asian Girl 01 folder already. It is amazing, right? Just about 2 seconds to finish migrated. Yeah. Double click the Asian Girl 01. We check the skeleton mesh here. Double click. Now it is loading and we can have a check. Here you have to wait for a while until it finishes loading all the texture. It is just taken a while. Right. Now this avatar is completed. That's here. So what can we do? First we close here. Check the skeleton as well. Retargeted sources. So close here. Next, back to the content folder. Go into the third person folder. Under the blueprint, this is the original, the third person character, and this is the main avatar. Check the mesh, click the viewport. You can see This is the SKM, the Queen Simple. The animation class is ABP Queen C. So here we can have a backup. Just right click and duplicate as a backup. Right. Once it duplicated as a backup here, we are going to do some modification at here. The BP third person character. Double click in. Click the mesh, click the viewport. We are going to change the skeletal mesh to become the Asian Girl 01. Next, the animation class, we have to change it to become the third person animation blueprint Asian Girl 01. Alright. Now you can see it changed already. It is really awesome. You click compile, click save, and close. Actually now, the main avatar in the game already changed to become the Asian Girl 01. You click play. Now you can see this Asian Girl 01 already become the main avatar in your Unreal Engine game project. Now, it is really done. We fully retargeted here. Everything already complete. Now, alright, if you want to make if you want to make her become the NPC, you can drag her out here. You press E, you can just change the direction. Once you play, now you can see an NPC is here. This NPC is the Asian Girl 01. Right. That is really amazing, and we already completed everything. This tutorial, how are we going to import the Character Creator 3.4 avatar into the Unreal Engine 5.0.1, the latest version? We already done all the job. Just by using the Unreal Engine 4 to retarget it, and then migrate to Unreal Engine 5. Because in Unreal Engine 5, to retarget it, it has some difficulties. So to make our life easier, we use the Unreal Engine 4.27.2 to retarget the CC3 avatar and migrate into the Unreal Engine 5.0.1, make our life easier. Now, the main avatar and the NPC also already become the Asian Girl 01. We're done. Right. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you loved my video tutorial, if you feel all these tutorials are very helpful to your 3D animation and game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new video tutorial, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy, happy animation and game developing. See you.